Ni hao, a good day to you all. China is the most important and largest single market worldwide for Brückner. The rapid growth of the Chinese plastics industry and the constant technical evolution of film producers all over the country makes China Plus the place to be for us. Here we have the unique opportunity to present our innovations, to discuss market developments and to cultivate the cooperation with our customers and partners in China. Every year we can clearly say that the many rewarding discussions at our China Plus booth help us to further develop our know-how. I'm really looking forward to attending many shows in the future, either in Shanghai or in Guangzhou. Thank you.